People, today we are going to be reacting to this masterpiece right here. This is called On the Nature of Daylight by Max Richter. Now, this is a song I've again heard before. I told you I'm a sucker for songs, but this song is just so powerful. If you are into classical music, this is the song that you should be listening to right now if you have not listened to this. Now, I'm listening to these on my new Sony Sennheiser CX180s, and let's just get started with this. Oh, by the way, I have heard the audio version of this, as in I've listened to the audio, but I've not actually watched the video as such. I just realize how strongly the music creeps up on you. Like this is like a random situation at a restaurant, right? And suddenly this music just creeps up on you, and the lady starts to walk. I love this entire visual effects that have been added to this clip, the entire cinematography, and the way that this video has been shot. You can see the confusion on her face, and if it's not for the music in itself, the face of that woman is making me tear up. And that's a sad face right there. I don't know who the actress is, but she's done a commendable job back there. You know how she started off in the entire video with like proper hair, and she looked normal, but right now she just looks so stressed out. Her hair are all frizzled up, and it probably the video is trying to signify how, as she's going through stuff in her life, it's wearing her down over time, right? As she's moving through dark alleys and looking at people smiling and enjoying their lives, but she's walking through alleys at this point. See how the scene just changed in its saturation? It was so much more saturated. Now the hue has just been sucked out of it. Maybe that's like a metaphor for the loss of color in her life. Basically translates to the loss of happiness and joy. Perhaps it's a metaphor for the loss of feeling altogether in her life. You know, that whole scene where she was walking past those two guys, and there was like a cemented wall. That looks so much like a Tarkovsky shot. I don't know if you guys have watched any movies from Tarkovsky, but that was like a cinematic shot from right out of his movie. And on top of that, when she enters into this desert area, which is just completely deserted by people, she looks back for a moment, and I think that is trying to signify that she does not understand how she has come at this place, what led to her being at this place in the like what turn of events happened. She is unable to explain that, and there were people around her at the starting of the video, even though she was not interacting with them as well, even at that point. But as time wore on, now she does not even have anyone near her physically speaking, and nobody is trying to approach her, just as they were not trying to approach her back then. But now she's just completely alone, even physically, much less mentally and emotionally. The entire bass instrument right now just sort of removed itself from the track, and now there is just hollow tunes of violin and piano in my ear. So the entire bass is gone, and I don't know, like it was building up to something, and then there was like a sinking feeling, right? And I think this entire piece is just wonderfully composed. If you're anyone who is into violins and pianos, this is definitely a song you should be checking out. I mean, this song was featured in Arrivals. This song was probably also featured in The Shutter Island. But this music video in itself, I would definitely watch a movie based around this storyline if it comes out. It's a really, really depressing video. I would not recommend you to watch this if you're feeling particularly low in your life, specifically with all the coronavirus lockdown going on. If you need help, then please reach out to a certified professional. I'm not asking you to reach out to any XYZ person whom you may know, because they may not be able to discharge the proper therapeutic practices that are required by you. So at this point of time, if you are feeling low in life, I suggest that you stay away from this video. But if you want to give it a go, do try. And the video is still left, by the way. Now, I love this shot. Why? Check this out. Wait, let me just show you. Check out this shot. All right, so these are stairs, and you can say that I'm being extremely metaphorical here, but I think that all throughout the video she was walking on a straight path, she was walking on a level ground, and as soon as she faces some stairs, she got over the first flight pretty quickly, if you noticed, right? So she gets over these, and then when the bigger ones come her way, she just like sort of breaks down. So what I think is that these somehow represent the difficulties, small difficulties which are now popping up in her life. So even like very small things just sort of wear her down, and she receives some kind of support from the wall that's to her left. So she places her hand over there. Let me show you. Right. So what happens is, watch this. She gets extremely tired, and yeah, she places her hand over the wall towards her left, and she sort of just breaks down as to not understanding why these difficult things are happening to her, and why such small tasks, which should be easy, climbing a flight of stairs is easy if you are a normal, healthy person, but it appears so difficult for her. So she does not understand why small problems appear to be so magnanimous in front of her at this point of time. And you can see when she lets loose, right? So she's letting loose at this point, she's crying. But you move forward and now you see a sterner expression, right? So I since I am speaking from experience, I know that this is an expression of I will not let anybody see this, right? Because whenever we are very emotionally vulnerable, our first instinct is to hide it, because evolutionarily speaking, if you showcase your vulnerabilities, then you are prone to predators, right? And you are prone to be judged by the people around you, the community around you, and that really did serve its purpose well, evolutionarily speaking. But now I believe that there needs to be some kind of a change in that area, that she has problems, she visibly has problems at this moment, but she's still keeping a stern face. She lets loose for 1 second and then is reminded of the fact that she has to keep a stern face, she needs to keep it all in, and then she just sucks it up and stands tall in front of those stairs. Now you can also say that is courage, or that is bravery, and some people might also say that that is a depiction of how our society punishes and penalizes people who expose their vulnerabilities to other people. But that is a discussion for another day, right? So this is Max Richter's On the Nature of Daylight. Max Richter Music only has 118,000 subscribers. If you're not subscribed to his channel, I definitely recommend you to go out and subscribe to his channel. And by the way, if you like me reacting to these kind of videos, be sure to drop in your favorites and I'll be reacting to them in due time. And yeah, see ya.